came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law.
Hey, Arasu here with another adventure. It's September 10th, 2 a.m. We are heading to Mount Robie Reid with a group of 7. Omid is here, Shayan, Masood, Sarah, and who else? Ali, Amir, and I. Mount Robie Reid is near Fraser River in the Golden Ears region. It's a long and challenging hike, so it should be only approached by experienced hikers. Has a high class 3 and low class 4 scrambles near the top. So if you want to get there, be cautious and plan ahead. I've never been there, but as I studied about this mountain, the total distance is around 26 kilometers with about more than 2,300 meter elevation gain.
So we're headed towards Robbie Reid. We started at 4:45 a.m. It was dark. We were mostly in the forest, and now seems like it's opening up.
It's 9 o'clock now. We're heading toward the summit of Robbie Reid, and we just got to see some views of the gorgeous area. You can see the peak from here. We assume it's the peak, I'm not sure, but it might be a false summit over there. And yeah, we are just going to get to the interesting parts, and you can follow Arastu's video for the remainder of the trip.